boy.
Oh,
Wait. Oh, dang it.
Oh, I do not have that.
Dang it. Peter Piper picked a peck of peppers. Peter Piper picked a peck of peppers. Sally sells seashells by the seashore. Seashore. Sally sells seashells by the seashore. Sally sells seashells by the seashore.
Sally sells seashells.
Making cosmetics. Hello, Black. You never have 1, 2, 3, 4
I challenge you.
Hello, bro.
No! Hell no! Get the nigga! Fuck you, bitch! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! You fucking asshole! Let me out, you monster!
Who the hell is Baboon 69?
No! Help! Help!
No! I have to juke him!
It's coming!
I have to juke him again! I have to juke him one more time! Maybe one more time!
How much weight can a woodchuck chuck?
Yo, chill. One last time! Holy! My bad, bro. I just don't want to die too soon, bro. You know, first to dying is like the most embarrassing thing you can do, bro.
Oh, look at that bad one.
I shoot this! This you monster!
I'm not the one.
The green bean is coming! The green bean! What?
Ah, shit, come and get me.
You remember? Whoa.
Yeah?
Don't do that, bro. It's not me. It's not fair. They have to kill me. The one, the only skinwalker.
Yo.
Try.
Run!
Monster! Wait, where's the monster? You cannot get this green bean, you dirty green bean. You cannot get it, you green bean.
Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy.
Let me in.
He can't get in. He can't get in. The monster cannot get in the fortress. The monster cannot get in the fortress.
Let me get in. Can I
The
go in, bro?
monster can't. The monster.
Yo, how you mind, bro?
Green bean, can't get in. The green bean can't get in. The green bean.
Let me come in.
No!
Bro. So mean. Can I come in, guys, please? I want to come in.
Get in here.
Yo, monster, grab me. You fed up.
I'm done. If as soon as I die. Yeah.
Oh, everyone's going for it. You guys want to see something really cool? Hey, cowboy. Hey, cowboy.
Yo, bro, let's go back to the place you was taking me. Bueno, déjame un empode.
Nope.
Don't cut it. Wait, what? Dang it. Alright, come on. I'm trying to go find other hearts. Huh? I bet.
Go get cosmetics! Please!
Why?
You look naked!
Foxy.
What?
Yeah.